A capacitor is a passive electronic component that is commonly used on printed circuit boards. It is designed to store electric charge temporarily and release it when needed. A capacitor consists of two metal plates separated by a dielectric material. When voltage is applied across the plates, charge builds up on them, and an electric field is created between them. Capacitors are used in PCBs for a variety of purposes, such as smoothing out power supply voltage, blocking DC current while allowing AC current to pass through, filtering out noise, and stabilizing oscillations. They come in a wide range of values, sizes, and types, including ceramic, electrolytic, tantalum, and film capacitors. The specific type and value of capacitor used on a PCB depends on the application and design requirements. Capacitors can be used to filter out unwanted noise or signal components from a circuit. This is particularly useful in power supplies or audio circuits where unwanted noise can affect the quality of the output. Capacitors can decouple sensitive circuit from a noisy or fluctuating power supply by placing a capacitor across the power supply rails. Any noise or fluctuations are absorbed by the capacitor, ensuring that the sensitive circuit operates in a stable and consistent manner. Capacitors can be used to create timing circuits or delay circuits by controlling the rate at which the capacitor charges or discharges. Capacitors are available in a wide range of sizes and capacitance values, making them very versatile in PCB design, allowing for flexibility in component placement and layout.